Funds from the state lottery have allowed the Mississippi Department of Transportation to address much-needed maintenance projects in rural communities across the state in 2020. From New Case and Hancock County to Luxahoma and Tate County, state highways are being resurfaced for safer and smoother travel. In fact, MDOT repaved over 265 miles of highway that would not have been possible without new lottery funds. These pavement rehabilitation projects were urgently needed in rural Mississippi communities. This work helps improve the quality of life and employment opportunities for Mississippians around the state.
We appreciate the lottery that the legislature passed. It's very good, excellent for not only MDOT but for the state and our state highways and state bridges. It's an excellent way of placing our money. The commission unanimously voted for it and again, putting it like it is, where it is, and where it should be. And that's putting it back on our state highways and state bridges.
Paving projects like these make our highways safer and make Mississippi a better place to live and work. They ensure the people and businesses of Mississippi have efficient, reliable infrastructure for travel and the transport of goods and services. Adequate funding is the winning ticket for a safe and efficient transportation infrastructure for Mississippi. For more information about these or other MDOT projects, visit mdottraffic.com, download the MDOT Traffic mobile app, or follow @MississippiDOT on social media.